Hello everyone, welcome to my course Introduction to the Linux Command. As I said you, after 1992, Linux made their code available as an open source, freely available on the internet. So many people they downloaded this code and they made changes to the code and they also made it available on the market. So today I will going to show you the various version of Linux operating system. So let's start. One is Red Hat Linux. This is one of the Red Hat Linux version. This is commercial and it's not a free version. The Red Hat Linux, they are using it for developing the various products. It's a free version, but it is using for commercial and enterprise level for server programming or various industrial sector. They are using it in the commercial purpose. After that, there is some more version of Linux was introduced, Debian GNU Linux. It's completely free, a software distribution. This Debian Linux is also using for server programming and it is used in the industrial sector research purpose. And it is not designed by keeping in the mind that it will be used for an education platform or in the schools and lab. But later on, it was proved successful. So student also they are using it for their learning. SUSE Linux is one of the another version of the Linux that was recently purchased by Novell, which is one company, and the distribution was available for a pay. It was the free version earlier, but for the if you want to use it for commercial programs like for industrial sector for your industrial projects, then you have to pay some amount for that. Free version are also available for this SUSE, but which have a limited features. So these are the one more feature of Linux operating system. Mandrake Linux is one more Linux which is using as a desktop for education platforms and school, lab, and research. It is based on the Red Hat Linux, means by taking an idea from the Red Hat Linux, this Mandrake Linux was introduced in the market. Gen 2 Linux is one more Linux that was developed by keeping in the mind to provide a edge to the programmer who wanted to work on security domain and antivirus program applications, virus by keeping into that. So these are the different operating system we have seen. I hope you like the different version of Linux that are available in the market and you find this session informative. So we'll connect in the next session and I will going to show you the comparison between the different operating system, Linux, Windows, and other operating system. Till then, bye.